Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to reset a Firestick without remote. Let's go. Your phone and your Firestick must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open Fire TV app. Choose your Fire TV. Open Settings. My Fire TV. Reset to factory defaults. If your TV is connected to another network and you cannot change it, open hotspot settings. Rename your network and password to one that your Firestick auto connects to. Open Fire TV app. Open Settings. My Fire TV. Reset to factory defaults. Or use the remote control from the main TV. Turn on the HDMI CEC. Open Settings. My Fire TV. Reset to factory defaults. That's it. Now you know how to reset a Fire Stick without remote. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.